Hello everyone, my name is Khush Patel and today in this video we are discussing LeetCode problem number 1281. Subtract the product and sum of the digits of an integer. So basically in this question we are given an integer n. We have to firstly sum the all individual digits of that integer, then subtract it from the sum of the all digits of its integer, and then we have to return the final answer. So as you can see, this is also a very easy question. Let's try to solve this. So firstly, I will make some integers so that I can save their sum and multiplication. I am making sum 0 so that I can add further in it, and making multiple 1 so that also I can add uh, next digits in it. Uh, you can use whatever loop you want to use, but here I will use simple while loop. In this, firstly, in current means in that integer we will get our any digit. So for that we will use this, and then as well as same for the multiple. And in the for the next iteration we have to we will divide n by 10 so that we can get our next digit. At the last we will return null multiple minus sum as mentioned in the question. Let's try to run this. As you can see, our both the example cases are solved here. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so as you can see, our solution beats 99.23% of solutions and uses 0 milliseconds of runtime. So hope you liked this video. If you did, then make sure to like this. Thank you for watching this video.